I'm Steve Cantor with Optimal Process. Today I'd like to talk to you about scheduled text reminders. We're going to log in, put in my user code and my super secret password. And I think everybody understands when you're going to send a group text. These are people that work with us or have opted in to be included in this group. You send them a message, you put in the date and the time, and you send it, and it's scheduled for that date, and they get a text reminder. But if you have someone that has not opted in, either you know them and you're going to send them an email or post a link, or it could be the public where you're going to post the link on a social media page or on a web page, then you use this build event reminder link. So let's go look at that. And we're going to put in a message, a very important meeting, and we're going to say that it's for the 31st. That's a good time. 3 o'clock is good. We're going to build the link. So here's the link, of which we could put this in an email or social media or a web page. We're just going to post it into our browser, and this is what they would see when they click on the link. You're setting up a reminder for the following event, a very important meeting, 5 blah blah blah, and we put in our phone number here, and it once we submit that, now we've built ourselves a reminder for that meeting that will come to our phone, be texted to our phone the day before the event and 2 hours before the event. That's the way it works. Have a wonderful day.